My professional activity as a neurologist trying to bring relief to my neurotic patients. I discovered some important new facts about the unconscious out of these findings through a new science, psychoanalysis. I had to pay heavily for this bit of good luck. Resistance was strong and unrelenting. In the end, I succeeded, but the struggle is not yet over. My name is Sigmund Freud.